What's up, y'all? Hope y'all having a beautiful, blessed day. Hope y'all getting out in nature, all that shit. Today, I just got off work. Like literally just got off work. So we're gonna grab something very delicious. I'm starving. We're gonna get something delicious, nutritious. Y'all gonna see. Alright, this is gonna be a good video. I swear to God. It took them like 2 seconds to make this bitch, right? And I was in that bitch for about 20 minutes. Yeah, it's pretty nice, Niggas is looking at me crazy, bro. It's like, yeah, bro, but we're about to eat this fucking delicious, nutritious ass meal, bro. This shit's about to be so fucking good. About to eat this shit, you know what I'm saying? Couldn't afford the Travis Scott burger. That shit was like $6, you know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm good. I want to pay $1 for my poison. I don't want to pay $6 for my poison. That's dead as fuck, right? So, I got this shit. Bang burger. You guys have the Travis Bob burger?
The Travis Scott, yes.
I just get the cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger? Go ahead, 150.
So y'all, hope y'all having a beautiful, blessed day. I say that twice because that clip that y'all just saw was from yesterday. It wasn't from today. So, you know, gotta make sure y'all niggas have a good day, a beautiful, blessed day. In fact, but you know, we just got off work again. We just got done slaving for the white man. Got some food, some Mickey D, as they call it from where I'm from. Smashing the shit. About to smash the shit. It's about to be so fucking shit out of here, nigga. Get that fucking shit out of here. Get that fucking shit out of here, dog. The fuck's wrong with you? What the fuck is wrong with you? Okay. Did you actually think, bro, what the fuck is that, a cat? I don't know. But did you actually think I was about to put that shit in my body? Did you actually think I was about to put poison in my body? Did you actually think that shit? And this is what this video is all about. Alright, we're gonna talk about fast food and how nasty that shit is and why you shouldn't eat that shit. Alright, that poison. It's poison, bro. It's poison. And we're gonna talk about Travis Bot too. Travis Bot. Cause that nigga's a robot. He does anything the elites tell him to do. That nigga's a robot. Come on. Stop fucking following these niggas, bro. These niggas not for your best interest. If he is advertising McDonald's, which is damn near. Nah, fuck that damn near. Literally poison. That he not fucking with you, dog. He just wants your money. Alright? And yes, I am about to pick that up because I don't want my squirrel niggas, or I don't want my deer niggas to also eat that shit, alright? I don't want them to eat that shit either. But my nigga, you shouldn't be eating that shit either. What is you doing, bro? You're tweaking. And listen, bro. I'm not some high and mighty nigga, okay? I used to eat that shit too. Bro. There was a summer, I used to motherfucking skateboard with my homie. I used to skateboard to fucking McDonald's. Damn near every day. We used to get that same shit that I just... I'm paying $1, $2 burgers. That's the worst shit. That is the worst shit. That's the worst shit. The cheapest shit is the worst shit, bro. It's the worst shit. Right? So y'all niggas tweaking, bro. Travis Bot. Let's get into him, bro. Travis Bot, right? First, that nigga did some shit about Fortnite, right? I wasn't paying attention. I don't play that game. I never really got into it. I'll admit it. I never really got into it, right? So I don't fucking know what happened, but I know that nigga, he got a Fortnite check, right? He got a check for Fortnite. Did some shit about Fortnite. I'm like, damn, that's some bot ass shit, nigga. That's some bot ass shit. Fortnite, first off, Fortnite is fucked up because it's like, my nigga, kids be in their crib all motherfucking day playing that whack ass game, and these niggas know it, and they just because they making money off of it, they still pumping out updates and shit instead of telling niggas to go outside and enjoy my nature, bro. Real life is better than any video game. Remember that shit. Real life is the best video game, right? This light's kind of whack, but whatever. Alright, so I'm heated, bro. I'm heated. Cause, bro, I see people put poison in their fucking bodies every day, okay? That shit should get you mad, too. That shit should get you mad, too, bro. Listen, and I keep calling it poison. Dante, why you keep calling it poison? Because the shit is fucking poisonous. None of that shit. Not a damn thing on that motherfucking, on that sandwich, on that burger is fucking natural, okay? Not a damn thing. The bun, unnatural as fuck. The goddamn, down to the fucking pickles is unnatural as fuck. So you need to stop putting that unnatural shit in your body, bro. You're going to die early. Yeah. You're gonna die early as fuck. If you eat that shit every day, you're gonna die early. For sure. The fuck? There's no question about it. Okay? Listen, they do this shit on purpose, bro. They do this shit on purpose, bro. Why do you think there's a McDonald's on every fucking corner? And then when you go past the McDonald's, there's a goddamn Burger King, bro. There's a Burger King for me personally, Burger King right there, McDonald's over there. Keep going down, there's probably, I don't know, bro. But there's probably like fucking 4 or 5 different goddamn fast food restaurants. For what? For what? Why? Why? Because they want you to eat that shit. They want you to kill yourself, my nigga. They want you to kill yourself. That's facts, alright? That's facts. That's facts. Stop playing with them. They want you to kill. Why isn't there like a farmer's market on every corner, right? Because think about it. Think about this shit. Think about it logically. Processed food is harder to make than natural food. Am I wrong? Processed food is harder to make than natural food, right? Because it's a process to make the food, right? With natural food, you just motherfucking plant the tree, grow it, put some water, put some sunshine, boom, you getting apples and shit. So what the fuck? So why is they doing this? Because they want you to kill yourself, my nigga. They want you to poison yourself. Because, bro, why don't you just go down to motherfucking the grocery store? And yes, fruit is GMO too. There's GMO fruit and all that shit. So even that shit's fucked up. But it's better than this shit. Okay, it's better than this shit. Let's get that straight. So why don't y'all niggas just go down to the grocery store? Okay, let me use this example, right? Travis Scott burger. It's literally a quarter pounder with motherfucking bacon and fries, bro. You don't even get a special goddamn box. Like, them niggas is really finessing you. Them niggas really put Travis Scott. Here's a motherfucking quarter pounder with bacon. Like, okay. Yeah, let me use that example as a Travis Scott burger, right? So that shit costs like $6, right? So think about this. For $6, my nigga, you can get a whole ass organic meal, bro. You can make yourself a salad for $6. You can make yourself a fruit bowl, some fruit bowl, something. You can buy a couple mangoes, couple peaches, couple apples. But no, what does your lazy ass want to do? You want to buy the motherfucking Travis Scott burger. So you can put that bitch on Snapchat, and all these niggas who don't even fucking know you or like you is gonna look at that shit and be like, oh, he got the Travis Scott burger. Oh, Travis Scott. Oh, yeah. Some person comes, so I'm about to go over here. But you get what I'm saying, bro. Like, don't fuck with that shit, bro. You're killing yourself, dog. And let me tell you something too. Alright, meat. Hold up. Alright, fam. Let me tell you something too. Meat in general is fucked up. You shouldn't be eating meat, okay? Meat is fucked up. But I'm gonna make a whole video about that, because I know I can't just say that and people will be like, oh, okay, meat's fucked up, let me stop eating meat. Nah, nigga, I'm gonna make a whole video about that. That shit's gonna be deeply researched. I'm making it right now, so don't you worry. I'm gonna show y'all why you shouldn't eat that meat shit either, right? But man, McDonald's, Burger King, Taco Bell, bro, you need to stop. You need to stop. Cause like, your body is a motherfucking temple, bro. Start thinking your body as a car. Start thinking your body as a phone. Start thinking of your body as technology, right? You charge your phone every day. Do you put water in your phone? Do you put water in your phone? When you wake up, do you get a chug of water and just drop it on your phone? Do you drop your phone on the ground on purpose? Do you do that? Do you crash your car on purpose? Do you put water in your car's tank on purpose? No, you don't. So why are you putting poison in your body on purpose? Why? And I know why. Okay, I know why. I get it, right? It's addicting. It tastes good, kind of, depending, you know what I'm saying? Because your taste buds adjust, right? So if you start eating vegan for like a month, you're not even gonna want that shit no more, okay? Your taste buds adjust. You are adjustable. Like how I said, human beings, we are very adjustable creatures, but we love comfortability and routine. So if you go to McDonald's and you're eating that shit every day, you're gonna keep eating that shit every day. You have to go inside and you have to make a change, okay? You really do. You really do, because you're gonna die early, okay? You're gonna die, bro. Like, on some real shit, you're gonna die. Don't you want to live as long as possible, as fruitful as possible? You do, right? So stop eating that shit, alright? And I'm getting on y'all asses because I know a lot of y'all niggas be eating that nasty ass shit and you need to stop it. I don't want to sound like your mom or nothing, but like, bro, that shit nasty, bro. That shit nasty, dog. Like, it's fucking up your body, man. You wonder, why can't I run? Like, why can't I run this distance? Why do I get gassed so easily? Why can't I hit 20 push-ups? Why can't I do this? Why can't I do that? You wonder that, and then you go to McDonald's and buy like a Travis Scott burger, a Travis Bot burger. Fuck that nigga, bro. Fuck that nigga Travis Scott. I'm gonna say it right now. Fuck that nigga Travis Bot. I call him a bot because that nigga's a robot. He does anything that the elites tell him to do. Hey, bro, it's time to deal with McDonald's. Kill a couple of your fans, you know what I'm saying? Because he's literally telling y'all niggas to eat food that kills you. So fuck that nigga, bro. I will say it. Fuck that nigga Travis Scott. If that nigga want to throw hands, we can do it anytime. All right. So that's it for this video. Y'all stay up. A lot more videos coming. I'm gonna make one about, you know, I'm not gonna tell y'all my whole ideas, but a lot more videos coming. We got a lot of ideas, so you know what I'm saying, stay up, keep watching, remember to subscribe. And I don't say this every video, but I need to start saying it every video. I do free consultations, okay? Free consultations on Instagram. So slide in my DMs, hit my Instagram, and we can set up a time and I will do a free consultation with you. All right, anytime, right? So like, subscribe, all that bullshit. I'll see y'all later. Peace out. Stay safe.